Hey, it's Joey with Imzz Elite. We're back in the shop today. We're going to throw another new product. We have our mid-shift linkage for FXR and Dyna. We're going to throw on the 17 Lowrider S. Let's get into it and I'll show you what's up. Take your 3/8 wrench and take this. Easiest way is just to hold the shifter down because it's going to move anyways. And just watch your knuckles on these fins. And before you get it all the way out, while you have the front holding it in place, you can do the back one too. Again, watch your knuckles because you'll slice your hand open on these fins. That shitty linkage and throw it in the trash. With our new linkage, make sure we throw a little Loctite on these bolts. Right now the jam nuts are loose, so they're free. You're probably going to want to bottom it out as far as it'll go on both sides. There's right and left hand rod ends. And then we'll just get those clocked to where they're both flat. Start with the rear one. Go ahead and get the front one started. You'll have to pick up on your shift lever just to get the holes lined up. Now that we got them both started, we'll take our 3/8 wrench, 12 point. You're gonna have to upshift so you can get to the head of this without hitting this boss on the case. Once you go in a few turns, you'll be clear of the case. Now that it's all hooked up, if you want to make any fine adjustment to your shift peg here, you can turn this out or in, and that's going to give you an adjustment on that peg. Since we started with it bottomed all the way out, you're not going to be able to come too much higher, but if you'd like it a little lower, and since we have left and right heims here, you don't have to take any of the bolts out to make the adjustment. You just go ahead and break those jam nuts loose and you make your adjustment. So here we got it as high as it'll go. We're gonna go ahead and button down those jam nuts. Just a 1/2 and a 9/16 wrench. You're just gonna put one on each half. We're just going to turn against each other until you're nice and snug. Don't forget their left and right hand thread. And that's it. You're ready to rip.